Hey, Sia, I need some help. Have you caught wind of the 2023 manufacturing industry trends?
Absolutely, Bob. Give me the scoop on your thoughts and I'll dish out the solutions for you, nice and easy, one by one, alright.
What's your take on technology, investing in advanced tech?
Yes, Bob, it is absolutely crucial for staying ahead and adapting in today's landscape. I'll elaborate on the why in detail in a separate conversation.
Talent management is also on my mind to reduce exits. What's your perspective?
Indeed, Bob, we need to embrace diverse strategies, prioritize skill development, and foster inclusivity. I am sure your head HR is aware about it already. I just spoke to them a while back.
I'm encountering issues in my supply chain. What mitigation and assurance tactics should I consider?
Adaptation is the key in the face of disruptions. I want you to discuss the solutions with the experts at KaarTech to understand the solutions that suit your needs. I am sure they can help you understand it well.
Many of my peers are venturing into smart factories. Does it truly open up new horizons?
Absolutely, Bob. A holistic approach, coupled with technologies like SAP, BTP, IoT, and AI, is transforming the IT landscape today.
The sustainability sector intrigues me. What are the latest trends?
The industry is seamlessly adopting trends, from eco-friendliness to community engagement. Let me know your availability, and I can arrange a one-on-one meeting with KaarTech United Kingdom and Ireland. They can offer valuable assistance in conducting a digital assessment for you to gain deeper insights into your business and help you transform to match the industry trends.
Certainly, Sia. With the industry's growth poised at a 2.5% GDP increase this year, I'm eager to delve deeper into these trends and embrace uncertainty, talent, supply chain, smart factories, and sustainability.
Exciting times in manufacturing. Together, let's shape the future.